an organization used spreadsheets to track their impact data. They didn't think that they needed software. The data was mainly used for annual reporting, nothing fancy, so spreadsheets should do the trick. However, they started running into some problems. When it was time to collect the data for their reports, it was scattered across multiple spreadsheets in different locations. Bringing all this information together every year was a major task, and it was only the first step towards measuring their impact. The next step was analyzing their data, but the time spent compiling the data didn't leave much room for analysis. The insights they had the time to pull were basic necessities for their reporting. After sinking so much time into the process every year, all they had was simple annual data that filled their reporting obligations but wasn't particularly useful for the organization itself. They realized that for all this effort, they wanted more useful analysis, not just year by year, but for long-term growth and change over time. Could software address these concerns? They were given an opportunity to find out when their network joined the Common Approach Pathfinder pilot. Pilot participants are required to use a tool aligned with the Common Impact Data Standard, either software or an aligned data utility, and the organization took this chance to try using software. What they found was that using software addressed the problems the organization struggled with while using spreadsheets. Software has let the organization centralize their data, and the time it took to input and organize the existing information has eliminated the burden of yearly scattered searches. This initial data input included historical data from past years, allowing the organization to begin tracking long-term growth, change, and trends. Whether for long-term tracking or annual reporting, the organization has also been able to gain more insight with their analysis thanks to the software's automatic data aggregation. Their insights are better, their year-end task has been replaced with regular integration into their workflow, and they can see the big picture of their impact in a whole new way. The organization learned that even for those with basic impact needs, software reduces burden, leads to a better understanding of organizational impact, and allows organizations to engage in more sophisticated analysis.